What's the meaning of crassly? Crassly. Crassly.
Crassly. Crassly. Crassly is an adverb that describes behavior or actions that are lacking sensitivity, refinement, or good taste. When someone behaves crassly, they act in a way that is rude, offensive, or insensitive, often without regard for the feelings or well-being of others. This can manifest in many different ways, from making insensitive jokes to engaging in reckless behavior. People who behave crassly often come across as insensitive or uncaring, which can lead to strained relationships and social isolation. Crass behavior can also have negative consequences for individuals or organizations in professional settings.